Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Komara. Today I want to talk about disruptive behavior. First one is why disruptive behavior matters. Disruptive behavior refers to any student action that interrupts the flow of instruction or negatively impacts the classroom. The classroom environment. It can range from multiple disruptions to severe misconduct. While some behaviors may appear minor, if left unaddressed, they can escalate and affect the learning experience of the entire class. Number two, why disruptive behavior matters. In every education setting, maintaining a productive and respectful classroom environment is essential to ensure that all students can learn effectively. However, one of the major challenges teachers face is dealing with disruptive behavior. This type of behavior, this type of behavior interferes with teaching, distracts other students, and often reflects deeper issues that must be addressed for future educators, especially those teaching English literature, where discussion, interpretation, and sustained focus are key. Understanding how to identify and respond to disruptive behavior is a vital skill in classroom management. 3. Common types disruptive behavior. The first one, talking without permission, student who interrupt lesson or talk to peer while the teacher or another student is speaking. Not following instruction, refusing to follow classroom rules or instruction from the teacher. Out of seat behavior, roaming around in the classroom unnecessary or without permission. Deviant or oppositional behavior, directly challenging the teacher, authority, or instructions. Inappropriate remark or gesture, making rude comment, jokes, or noise that distract others. Distracting others, interfering with pairs' ability to concentrate or complex tasks. Using mobile device without permission, texting, playing games, or browsing during instructional time. 4. Causes of disruptive behavior. Lack of interest or boredom. Some students misbehave because they are simply not engaged with the lesson. They may occur when the content is too easy, too difficult, or presented in monotonous or irresponsible way. Example: during a lesson, on Shakespeare's Macbeth, student repeatedly talks to a friend and doodles in their notebook. When asked why, the students say, "This is boring and has nothing to do with my life." Need for attention. Student may disrupt class as way to get noticed, especially if they rarely receive praise to positive behavior. Example: student constantly cracks jokes during discussion, even when the topic is serious. When others laugh, the student becomes more disruptive. Low academic confidence or avoidance. Students who find the material difficult may misbehave to avoid being exposed or embraced. Example: when asked when asked to read a paragraph aloud in English novel, a student pretend to lose the books or claims they can see the page. Later, they start making noise and distracting others. Emotional or psychological issues, stress, anxiety, or trauma can affect how a student behaves in class. Example: a student suddenly yells in frustration when asked to work in a group later. The teacher learned the student had a conflict at home in the morning and feels overwhelmed. Lack of clear expectation structure. Without consistent rules and consequence, students may not know how to believe or may test boundaries. Example, in a class where some students are allowed to use their phones and others not, one student becomes angry when reminded and says, "But he's doing too." Peer influence and social pressure. Some students disrupt class to fit in, gain approval, or avoid being seen as a different. Example, a normally quiet student begins throwing paper balls across the room after sitting next to a group, frequently jokes and sacks during class. Cultural or language barriers. Students from different cultural backgrounds may behave disruptively if they feel excluded or misunderstood. Example, a student from a non-English speaking country frequently interrupts the teacher and changes topic. Later, it is revealed that they struggle comprehension and trying to stay involved by returning to more familiar subjects. Unmet physical needs. Physical discomfort such as hunger, lack of sleep, illness can lead to restless or irritability. Example, a student frequently puts their head on the desk, refuses to participate, and snap at the other. The teacher finds that student has eaten breakfast or slept well for a day. Previous negative school experience. Students who have faced repeat punishment in other classroom might assume will they be treated in the same again. Example, student their eyes mother their breath whenever teacher corrects them. When the teacher speak them privately, they say, "You are just like the other, you all hate me anyway." 5. Impact of disruptive behavior. Reduce learning time. Teachers must stop instruction to address the behavior. Increase stress. Both teacher and student may experience frustration and anxiety. Negative influence misbehavior may spread among other students. Damage to relationships. Constant discipline can harm the teacher-student relationship. Loss of academic focus. Both an disruptive student and other may lose track of the lesson content. Preventing and responding to disruptive behavior. Set clear expectations. First one is establish classroom rules at the beginning of course. Clearly explain what behaviors are acceptable and unacceptable. Build positive relationship. Learn students' names, interests, and learning styles of empathy and respect to foster mutual trust. Create an engaged learning environment. Create an engaged learning environment. Design tasks that appreciate for students level to keep them involved. Respond calmly and constantly. Use nonverbal private direction before escalating response. Avoid public confrontation that may embarrass the student. Apply logical consequences. Ensure the consequences are related, respectful, and reasonable. Use strategies such as a time-out behavior contract or restricting with writing text. Conclusion. Managing disruptive behavior is not about controlling students, but about creating a classroom climate where respect, structure, and engagement guide student behavior. Teachers in English literature classrooms, in particular, should aim to foster meaningful communication and critical thinking, both of which require focus and cooperation. When disruption occurs, the teacher must be act famous patience and professionalism by combining clear expectation with emotional intelligence. Educator can turn behavior challenge into opportunity for growth for both the student and themselves. Solving problems. Mr. Johnson is a fifth-grade teacher who has been teaching for over 10 years. This year, She has student named Alex who frequently display aggressive behavior. Alex often interrupts lesson, talks back to the teacher, and sometimes even becomes physically aggressive towards his classmates. Miss Johnson has tried various strategies to reinforcement for good behavior and speaking with Alex privately to understand the root of aggression. However, despite her efforts, Alex's behavior not improved significantly. Both classroom management techniques and Mr. Johnson replacement to address Alex's aggressive behavior provide at least three specific strategies and explain how each and could help improve the situation. Implement behavior intervention plan. Ms. Johnson can collaborate with the school counselor or a behavior specialist to identify the trigger purpose of Alex's aggressive action. Once identified, the plan should include specific intervention, replacement behavior, and consistent consequence. Incorporate social emotional learning. Mrs. Johnson can integrate cell activities into her lesson or hold dedicated sessions that help students like Alex develop self-awareness, emotional regulation, empathy, and responsible decision making. Talking with his parents and support staff, Mr. Johnson should maintain open communication with parents, involve other school professionals like psychological in creating and in a consistent support system. Mr. Smith is 7th grade math teacher who has noticed the several students in his class frequently engage in off-task behavior during lesson. The students often daydream with chat with classmates or use their phone instead of doing their work. The problem presses this love behavior disrupting the learning environment, affecting the overall performance in the class. What strategies can Mr. Smith use to encourage our behavior and decrease of tax behavior? Provide at least three specific strategies and explain how each one could help address issue. Use active learning strategy. Mr. Smith should incorporate select group work, peer teaching, discussion, and interact technology. To maintain student engagement, establish clear routine and expectations, clearly structure lesson, and routine give students a sense of direction, expression of our behavior. Shall be renewed constantly. Proximity control nonverbal guests. Mr. Smith can move around the classroom using nonverbal clues like eye contact or hand gesture to direct students quietly. Miss Brown is an 8th grade English teacher who is facing challenge with a student named Jake. Jake frequently exhibits disruptive behavior class such as talking out of time, making inappropriate comment and distracting other students despite Miss Brown's attempt to manage the behavior through the verbal warning and the setting change. Jake behavior not improve. This disruptive behavior is affecting the learning environment and making difficult for other students to concentrate on their work. What specific strategies can Ms. Brown implement to manage Jake's disruptive behavior? Provide at least three strategies and explain how each one could help address the issue. Check in or check out system. Jake starts and ends the school day by checking with Miss Brown or a support staff member. He receives daily behavior goals and feedback. Functional behavior assessment (FBA). Miss Brown should observe and document when, where, and why Jack disruptions occur. The FBA help identify the purpose behind his behavior, attention-seeking, task avoidance. Create a behavior contact. Miss Brown can create written agreement with Jack, outline explain behaviors, consequence and reward same by both parties, and opportunity by parent or guardian. That's all my presentation. Thank you.